In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Facebook Marketplace Mobile, a feature that's still working as of 2025. Setting up shipping on Facebook Marketplace can be a game changer for anyone looking to expand their sales reach beyond just local buyers. Let's get started with everything you need to know. First, check if you're eligible to offer shipping. Note that shipping is only available in certain countries like the United States. You'll also need to ensure your Facebook account is in good standing with no recent policy violations. Additionally, it's important to have a valid payment method connected. Facebook may occasionally ask for further verification, such as submitting an ID, so be ready for that request. Once your eligibility is confirmed, it's time to add a payout method. Start by opening your Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, then select Marketplace. Next, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner and navigate to shipping or payout settings. Here you'll have the option to add a bank account, debit card, or PayPal. This is crucial because it's where your earnings will be sent when you successfully sell items. With your account ready, you can now proceed to create a listing with shipping. Go back to Facebook Marketplace and select the Sell button, then choose the category that best fits your item, such as item for sale. Fill in all the details of your product, including the title, price, description, and high-quality photos. Under Delivery Method, select Shipping. You might also choose both local pickup and shipping if you want to give buyers options. This part is important as you'll need to enter package details like weight and size, which help Facebook calculate shipping costs accurately. Don't forget to set your return policy. By default, this is usually set to no returns, but you can adjust it if you wish. Facebook will show you the shipping cost and who will be responsible for it, whether it's the buyer or seller. Now, when your item does sell, Facebook will send you a shipping label via your email or directly in the app. Print the label and attach it to your package. Then, drop it off at the appropriate carrier, such as UPS, USPS, or FedEx, depending on the label you received. Once the buyer confirms delivery, your earnings will be released to your chosen payout method, whether that's your bank account or PayPal. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips. If you don't see the shipping option yet, your account might not be eligible. Always make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Remember, not all categories support shipping. Items like vehicles or services won't have this option. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up shipping on Facebook Marketplace Mobile. Thanks for watching.